said.
Shut the fuck up, you nasty bitch. I don't know how the fuck you jumping my son, you little nasty. Oh, bitch ass up, you dirty bitch. Who the fuck is this long head ass, long jawbreaker looking ass nigga named Miss Mary? Shut your bitch ass up, you ugly ass nigga. You dirty as shit, bitch. I don't get a funny nigga, dirty ass, you greasy cheeseburger body with ass nigga. You fat as shit, bitch. Shut your stupid ass up, bitch. You like a Hail Mary missile with a Down syndrome. You fat as shit, bitch. Shut your weird ass up, bitch. And look, you better shut your nasty ass up, bitch. Cause you like a roundhouse kicking kung fu panic actor. You fat bitch. And Miss Mary, shut your nasty ass up, bitch. You look like you like where you fucking woman say. I talk that food down. You little dirty bitch. Shut your stupid ass up, bitch. What's wrong with your stupid ass? Do y'all niggas have anything to say?